and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy callaloo rice. So we start off with our butter, and I'm doing this in my Instapot, and then you add your seasonings, so onion, scallion, sweet pepper, garlic. I actually forgot the garlic, so I had to stop and go get some garlic real quick. So once you have sauteed your seasonings, you can now add the callaloo and make sure to drain it. Or if you don't like callaloo or you don't know what that is, you could add also spinach. You could use canned spinach, or you could even use like fresh callaloo or fresh spinach, and it would be the same steps, just cook it a little bit longer before you add the rice. So now we can add our rice, and I always make sure to wash my rice. I don't know about you, but I wash my rice every time. And then you just want to mix it up just to make sure that the callaloo is evenly distributed throughout the rice, so you don't have, like it being uneven. So next you can add some braised cock soup mix. If you don't have that, or you don't know what that is, you could substitute that for any season that you want, or like some bouillon. Is that how it's pronounced? I'll put the spelling on the screen, but yeah, those are the seasoning cubes. You could use that instead, or like some Cajun seasoning, or some garlic powder, whatever season you want. So just add it to taste if you don't have the braised cock soup mix. I usually use like half of it. And then now you can add your coconut milk, and I just like to put a little bit of water in the can and just get as much out of it as I can. And then you can add enough water to cover the rice, not too much because you don't want it to be soggy. And then I add my habanero pepper, if that's how it's pronounced. If you're in Jamaica, you can use scotch bonnet. And then I just set it on the rice setting that the pot has, and that is it. Turn it on and just leave it to cook. So when it's done, this is what you have, and it is so delicious. I can tell you that. Like, look at it. It's delicious and it's healthy, and it's just awesome. Look at how fluffy and delicious that rice looks. So that's it. That easy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.